Hello everyone, my name is Linda Trevino and I'm one of your librarians at the library. I would like to show you today how to place a hold from the library webpage. Now you can place a hold from the library app if you'd like, and you can also call the library and we can place a hold for you. But if you'd like to just go ahead and place a hold from the webpage, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So you're just going to come down here to Account and Catalog on the webpage. Let me go ahead and click on that. And here we are at the catalog. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And you'll see that this box will pop up and you're going to enter your library barcode, which is on the back of your library card. You'll see an extensive number on the back of your library card, and you need to enter all those numbers. And then you're going to see an area where it's asking for a PIN. Now the PIN has been designated as the phone number that you have on your library account. It's going to be the last four digits of that phone number. And so the last four digits of that phone number will go right here where it says PIN. So once you enter that, you log in. Okay, and now I'm logged in. So what I want to do here is search for a book. So I'm going to leave it on all fields, but I'm going to go over here where it says everything, and I'm going to say, let's search for books only. And then now I'm going to come here and I'm going to put in a book title. Okay, I've entered that book title. Now I'm going to search for it. And here are the results. Now this first book here, it is indeed a book, but the call number tells me that it's large print, and I don't think I want large print. I think I want regular print. So I'm going to come down to the next listing. It is a book, and this one is regular print. So let me go ahead and click on that. And as I scroll here, I'll look to the items here that we have. So we have two books in our collection. It looks like one is currently checked out, but it does look like there's one available here. So I'm going to go ahead and place a hold on the book. So then now I click place hold, and it tells me that it's a success. So I've placed the hold on the item. Now, even though you may see that an item is checked out of the listing, you can still place a hold. It just means that the patron that has that item would need to return it, and then on that return it would trigger a hold for you. But it does show that we have two copies. So that increases your chances of getting it sooner. So let me go ahead and close here. And now I want to go to my account because I want to see if I, in fact, did place a hold and it went through. So here's my account. I come to this tab here and I click on it, and it does indeed show me that I have placed the hold. And the status is pending, but once we pull that hold for you and we trigger that hold, we will give you a call when it's ready for you to pick up. Now, you can pick it up from the drive-through, and it'll be waiting for you for up to 5 days. But I think that's pretty much it as far as placing a hold from the library webpage. If you need any assistance, we're there to help you. So you can give us a call. If you'd rather, like as I said, we could place a hold for you. You can do it through the app, or even if you send us an email, we can help you that way too. But otherwise, that's how you would place a hold through the library webpage. Everyone have a good day and enjoy placing holds on wonderful materials. Thank you so much.